The city of Jonesboro is making a change to its application process for private club permits. The change comes after the Arkansas law was changed to state that entities of all kinds can now hold that permit. I spoke to the Jonesboro city attorney and a local business owner to understand what this means for business. It's new at 10.
We still operate just like an LLC or sole proprietorship. We still operate like that. We just had to jump through all the hoops of the nonprofit to get set up.
Owner of Brick House and the Yard, Dan Johnson, said this change will make it more simple for businesses that want to apply for permits in the future.
It makes the process of applying much easier and less convoluted and much more straightforward and much more normal, as if it would be in any other type of a wet county.
Jonesboro City Attorney Carol Duncan said updating the application means a step business entities don't have to go through anymore, but she doesn't know how it will affect the growth in the city.
We haven't seen an increase in permit applications yet. Whether they'll increase or not, I guess, remains to be seen. I don't know if it'll cause an increase in the number of people asking to get that private club permit.
While this may not matter much for local businesses, chains may not see this as an obstacle to come to Jonesboro any longer.
The only thing I could see that it might encourage is things like your chain restaurants that maybe don't want to go through the trouble of having to separate business records between a nonprofit and a for-profit if they already exist across the nation as a for-profit.
Johnson said that's why Jonesboro didn't see chain-style restaurants in town for a while.
Especially for corporate entities, I think initially it was a while before you started to see like an Olive Garden or a Red Lobster or a chain entity, Buffalo Wild Wings. It was a long time before you saw a corporate entity come into Jonesboro because of that hoop.
He said the process of setting up a nonprofit to apply for a private club permit used to be tedious, but now that changes.
It just takes a huge inconvenience out of the whole applying thing and a big expense.
The changes to reflect the new Arkansas law will go before Public Safety Council Committee tomorrow afternoon and will then have to be approved by the full City Council at the next meeting.